In today's episode, I'm going to show you 13 productivity mistakes I wish I knew sooner. So let's get started. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I cover planner and productivity tips to help you plan for what's to come. Subscribe now for new podcasts and videos weekly so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Tip 1. Not prioritizing tasks. Lack of prioritization of work may be a significant productivity killer, and many individuals suffer with it. When you don't prioritize your duties, you may find that you waste a lot of time on things that aren't urgent or necessary while neglecting the chores that are essential to your success and advancement. Some factors contribute to people not prioritizing their work. Some people just lack the knowledge necessary to complete the task successfully. They might not know how to categorize jobs according to importance or how to divide their major goals into smaller, more achievable chores. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. Tip 2. Multitasking. I once believed that multitasking would help me do more, but it really had the opposite result on me. I discovered that when I tried to multitask, I was unable to give each of my activities my complete focus, which led to a lower quality of work. Isn't it nice to think that tomorrow is a new day with no mistakes in it? L.M. Montgomery. Tip 3. Not taking breaks. I formerly believed that the greatest way to be productive was to work nonstop, but breaks are incredibly critical. Your productivity will ultimately suffer if you don't allow your brain to have a chance of rest. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Mahatma Gandhi. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 4. Not setting clear goals. It's hard to recognize what you're working for without specific goals. I used to just work without a plan or any particular goals in mind. Making specific goals allowed me to maintain my motivation and focus. Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it. Salvador Dali. Tip 5. Not using a calendar. It's far more effective to utilize a calendar than it was for me to try to keep track of all of my chores and appointments in my brain. In this manner, schedule conflicts may be avoided and everything you need to accomplish can be seen in one location. Never interrupt your enemy when he is making a mistake. Napoleon Bonaparte. Tip 6. Being too hard on yourself. I used to criticize myself if I didn't do what I set out to achieve in a given day or time. However, it's incredibly crucial to remember to treat yourself nicely and accept the fact that you won't always be able to do all you set out to achieve. We learn from failure, not from success. Bram Stoker. Tip 7. Not delegating tasks. I used to believe that everything needed to be done by me and me alone, but that is simply not the case. Giving work to others might actually boost your output and provide you more time for other crucial duties. Smart people learn from their mistakes, but the real sharp ones learn from the mistakes of others. Brandon Mole. Tip 8. Not saying no. Saying yes to everything might result in burnout and, of course, overcommitment. It's critical to have the ability to say no when necessary so that you can give the activities that are the most significant to you your top priority. Good judgment comes from experience, and experience comes from bad judgment. Rita Mae Brown. Tip 9. Not taking care of yourself. Being productive requires taking good care of your physical and emotional well-being. I used to put off exercising, getting adequate sleep, and of course taking breaks when I needed to. But now I make sure to prioritize these areas of my life. I have learned all kinds of things from my many mistakes. The one thing I never learned is to stop making them. Tip 10. Not taking advantage of technology. These days, there are a ton of apps and productivity tools available that help simplify your life. I used to be reluctant to use them, but now I greatly rely on them to keep me on schedule and, of course, organized. All men make mistakes, but a good man yields when he knows his course is wrong and repairs the evil. The only crime is pride. Tip 11. Not learning from my mistakes. When things don't go as planned, it's simple to become disheartened, but it's crucial to learn from your mistakes and modify your strategy as needed. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. George Bernard Shaw. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Tip 12, not batching similar tasks, and now aim to group related jobs together rather than going back and forth between different sorts of tasks throughout the day. I can maintain my concentration this way and save time by not having to switch between tasks. It is important that we forgive ourselves for making mistakes. We need to learn from our errors and move on. Steve Marobly. Tip 13, not celebrating my successes. Finally, I used to ignore my successes and immediately begin the following activity. But how minor they may appear, it's crucial to acknowledge and appreciate your accomplishments. You may maintain your motivation and self-assurance in this way. Don't confuse poor decision-making with destiny. Own your mistakes, it's okay, we all make them. Learn from them so that they can empower you. Steve Marobly. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, not prioritizing your tasks. Tip 2, multitasking. Tip 3, not taking breaks. Tip 4, not setting clear goals for yourself. Tip 5, not using a calendar. Tip 6, being too hard on yourself. Tip 7, not delegating your tasks. Tip 8, not saying no. Tip 9, not taking care of yourself. And tip 10, not taking advantage of technology. Tip 11, not learning from your mistakes. And tip 12, not batching similar tasks. And our last tip, tip 13, not celebrating any of your successes. In school, we learn that mistakes are bad, and we are punished for making them. Yet, if you look at the way humans are designed to learn, we learn by making mistakes. We learn to walk by falling down. If we never fell down, we would never walk. Robert T. Kiyosaki. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.